Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious salmon meal. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 6 ounces each, for a perfect single serving. It's crucial to pat your salmon dry thoroughly with paper towels. This simple step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin everyone loves. Next, season your fillets generously on both sides with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of garlic powder to build a foundational flavor profile. This preparation sets the stage for a truly delightful dish. Now, let's explore some popular cooking methods. Pan-searing is fantastic for a crispy skin. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, then cook skin side down for 4 to 5 minutes, flip, and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. For a more hands-off approach, baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes results in beautifully tender salmon. If you prefer a smoky taste, grilling each side for about 3 to 5 minutes over medium heat works wonderfully, giving you those appealing grill marks. To elevate your salmon, consider these flavor enhancements. A classic lemon dill sauce, made with fresh lemon juice, chopped dill, and a touch of olive oil, perfectly complements the fish's richness. For a sweet and savory twist, brush on a honey garlic glaze during the last few minutes of cooking. It creates a beautiful caramelized crust. Alternatively, a compound herb butter, incorporating fresh parsley and chives, can be melted over the hot salmon, infusing it with a fragrant, herbaceous aroma that is simply irresistible. Finally, let's talk about serving your perfectly cooked salmon. For a well-rounded and healthy meal, consider pairing it with roasted asparagus or steamed green beans. Their crispness and fresh flavors are a delightful contrast. To add some satisfying complex carbohydrates, a side of fluffy quinoa or nutty wild rice works wonderfully. Don't forget the finishing touches. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens every bite, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives adds a pop of color and extra aroma. Enjoy your delicious salmon meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.